Welcome to another tutorial about the Basler microscopy software, which comes with your Basler Power Pack. I'm Dennis Detmer and I work as a product manager at Basler. Today we have a closer look at the special sharpness feature and time-saving fluorescence color presets. When using high magnifications with any kind of microscope or camera, blur occurs due to a limited depth of field. To improve the image quality, Basler has implemented a sharpness feature that eliminates blur in image areas with fine or sharp structures, even before taking a picture. Simply adjust the level of sharpness by using the sharpness slider. You can see the results immediately in the live view. Since all calculations are made directly inside the camera, this feature does not increase your processor load. To make your fluorescence imaging more convenient and to save you valuable time, Basler has integrated color presets for the most common fluorescence markers. You can configure a preset button to your own requirements. Just click on Configure Fluorescence Preset Buttons and select the preset button you want to change. Edit the color table to any set of colors. Even the divisions of the color gradient can be redefined. You can also load additional presets by clicking the Load Color Table button. In fluorescence applications, it's most common to use monochrome cameras as they deliver more precise image information than color cameras. Images taken from a live view with a fluorescence preset still remain monochrome images. That's indicated by the grayscale icon in the Image tab. This ensures a maximum information level in your images for further processing in other applications. For saving a colorized image, you simply need to convert your image to RGB color mode. Choose Image from the top menu, then Mode and click on RGB color. Now, as indicated by the Color tab icon, you are working in color mode. Freeware tools can be used to merge red, green and blue channel images. The result is an impressive color image taken by the Basler microscopy software. Thanks for watching and don't forget to check out our other tutorials.